Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a map in Looker Studio. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first things first is open up lookerstudio.google.com and sign into your account. Now for this demonstration, I'm going to create a blank report for this. Now, once you've created a blank report, we want to go ahead and add data to report. So depending what type of map you want to generate, go ahead and connect your Google Analytics, Google Ads, Google Sheets, Excel, CSV file upload, etc. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to upload a CSV file upload. So I'm going to click to upload files. Now in my downloads, I've got this world map metric just for this demonstration. So now I'm going to upload this into Looker Studio. Alright, now it's uploaded. So from here, I'm just going to go ahead and click on to add, and that's going to add this to my report. So I'm just going to give this a few moments to upload or add to my report. Once it's finished, don't click out of it. It's going to automatically come back to here. Now, to add a map in, what we need to do is come up to the top here. We've got these different tabs. We want to go ahead and click on insert, and now we've got 4 different maps to add in. So we can add a bubble map, field map, heat map, or line map. So I'm going to put in a heat map. Now that's going to go ahead and generate that. Also, we can add in a field map as well. And also we can do a line map. So yeah. Okay, so I won't be able to do the line map because I've got invalid or data missing dimensions or metrics, but that's all good. So yeah, that's how to add a map into Looker Studio.